time to watch the rims, the new rims. Well, somewhat new. Put this under cover because it's fucking hot in Australia right now. But yeah, get back to it. These are what we're running on the new EG build. I need new rims that actually look good for the EG, so I'm decided just to reuse these ones. So because why, I don't have the fucking money to get new ones. Yeah, so these will be the track tires for now. I need to get a second pair actually, so those are gonna be sick. I can't wait to get them. But yeah, let's wash these and throw them on the EG. Time for the rear. I can't remember if I updated you on the front ones. Fucking hot. Never work on your car in like 30+ degree weather. I'll update you guys once it's finished. Oh. Dude, I did not expect it to be this good. That's crazy. They look better than they were on the EK, not gonna lie. Look at that. Bro, the fitment's not bad, to be fair. It's not too bad. I like that. I like that. Jeez, pretend we have a front bumper in the way here. You know, just right there. I like that. Sometimes the smallest mods make such a huge difference within the car, especially like wheels. They probably make the biggest difference within the car, and man, I'm truly happy about it. It's actually made my day, not gonna lie. But yeah, so we're gonna pack it up, do all that. I can't test drive it because the car still doesn't run. We're still waiting on 2-3 more parts now for it to be roadworthy and in, you know, obviously in Australian laws, so it can be on the road. So I'll do that soon, and then yeah, it's time to get back on the road and time to hit its first track day with it, which I'm so freaking excited. But yeah, okay guys, welcome back. I don't know where I'll put this in what video, but we're changing the rear window on the EG. Don't ask how, but the old owner chopped that shit off. That's how, so we're gonna remove that and rear window going in, so that's pretty cool. That's like ripping it off, get back straight to work. What is that? Not gonna lie, I got a little bit frustrated, so I couldn't be bothered recording, but it works. Ooh, oh, shit. There we go. That's all we needed for that, for this fucking thing to work. Man, what a struggle. But anyways, it went in. If some people wondering what this was, because I didn't know, this is just connects into there. It's legit just like one of those grounding points. Anyways, EG6 window. Just need to replace that. Look at that. Now I gotta get a transmission with an LSD in it. But it's alright. Be worth it for the long run. What are we gonna do with the old one? Probably just sell it or throw it in the bin. I don't know. But yeah,